Human, Environment, Nature, and Kyoungdong Company Ltd. The new place adds emotional design along with its philosophy based on human, environment, nature. The construction was completed as they worked elaborately for the interior design of every space in it, such as landscaping, arrangement of the buildings, the office building, factory, exhibition hall, and the lab. Kyoungdong Company Ltd. that has been elevating its brand value even more after the move. Gyeongdong has a proud career of 40 years and is a living witness for the history of piping industry. Since the move of its office and factory to a larger facility in Daegu, Songso Complex 5 in March 2013, it has been elevating its brand image even more.
안녕하십니까. 주식회사 기용동 대표이사 이찬우입니다. 저희 회사는 1973년 설립 이래 작지만 강한 글로벌 중소기업이 되기 위해 노력하고 있습니다. 또한 원가 전략과 생산성 향상을 위해 기술 혁신을 통한 끊임없는 기술 개발을 하고 있으며 고객님의 이익 증진을 위해 최선의 노력을 다하겠습니다. 대단히 감사합니다.
In metal producing machines, accuracy is the key. Gyeongdong conducts equipment testing on its own and manufactures the best products through verifying its products based on reliable QC and QA. 40 years have passed already for the manufacture of good machines. We anticipate the future when Gyeongdong is even closer to a small but powerful company. The highest technology and the best customer satisfaction have formed the ground that has allowed Gyeongdong to get the recognition in piping industry. We are expecting another 40 years that will come along. Not as a company which increases only its size. We would like to grow further as a small but powerful company based on genuine capability as well as craftsmanship, just like long-lasting companies in Japan or hidden champions in Germany. Gyeongdong has 4 business divisions: the piping school shop equipment, pipe manufacturing plant equipment, other machine, and the supporting division. 1. The piping spool shop equipment division can be divided into cutting and facing machinery facilities and auto welding machine facilities. Cutting and facing machine facilities. This equipment is needed to produce spools used at the sites of petrochemical plants in Korea and other countries. It is organized in a way to perform pipe cutting or beveling properly. The equipment is composed of the bandsaw machine with the roller conveyor and the pipe facing machine with the up-down turning rollover conveyor, etc. Auto welding machine facilities. This equipment is composed along with the cutting and facing machinery facilities. It is peripheral equipment to complete the spool manufacture by welding the pipe, flange, or elbow onto the pipe finished with cutting or beveling. The components include the positioned and its peripheral devices, manipulator, and its peripheral devices, support, and the welding system, saw and FA-SAW, etc., SAW and FA-CAW, etc. And there are other components like the CNC pipe profile, coaster machine, pipe gas cutting machine, rotator, or turning roll. Two, The pipe manufacturing plant equipment division is composed of the two head-facing machine, milling cutoff machine, pipe measuring machine, pipe facing machine, and pipe expander, etc. This is the major equipment used at the company's manufacturing JCO, ERW, roll bands, and spiral or seamless pipes. This equipment is used to do measuring, cutting, or beveling on the products manufactured through the process. Bandsaw machine is a product with enhanced safety and convenience. Pipe facing is a special machine attaching a tool that can cut things like the pipe end or coupling flange. With its conversation program, you can enter data and get things done through complete automation from beginning to end of your processing. Gyeongdong has localized the piping equipment that was mostly imported in the past and also has been enhancing its competitiveness distinctly in this area through the design of automation using the equipment. Gyeongdong has been exhibiting its true value so noticeably, not just in Korea's leading enterprises, plant construction, but also in overseas projects for Saudi Arabia, the UAE, Qatar, Malaysia, Thailand, Mexico, and Sakhalin. Three, the Machine Business Division produces and delivers equipment, exclusive processing equipment, and peripheral equipment used by the other business divisions. In Gyeongdong, most of its staff members are involved in from designing to manufacturing. As we try to reflect what the customer demands at the site, we can arrange the optimal pipeline through the basic design as a start, and then the synthetic and reasonable installation of machines and the finishing design of post-processing. Based on its know-how previously accumulated to manufacture machines, Gyeongdong can supply machines for pipe cutting, facing, or welding. Four, the supporting business division purchases consumables or tools used by the other business divisions by proxy and also produces and delivers products. A company specialized in producing metal processing machines and plant industry machines. Gyeongdong Company Ltd.